Hi guys, I'm here in Waco, Texas, and as you can see, they got varieties of popcorns in here, big sale. And on the next side, there is a drink. Got mini fast foods here. They got burgers. And there's a lot of people.
I know, I don't know. That's what they want, right?
And next to that burgers, we have a pizza. Only here in Waco, Texas. Wow, look at that. Very impressive. And here's another one in here. Waffle. See? It's so nice. The next one on it, I think, is a custom blended ice bowl that where you can choose your own mix. So it's a long queue. They got their specialty, the yummy tea, southern, Mason, Dixon, and Holiday. And they got the other sweet tea in there. Isn't it amazing? We are here on the Magnolia Market. So many people are in the recreational area. Wow.